Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMeet Unique, and today we're going to see how to set a Brave browser as a default browser on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to set the Brave browser as a default browser on your mobile phone. You're just using a lot of browsers like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. You just need to set the Brave browser as a default browser. Just follow this step. So you just doesn't want to go to the setting, and you just need to find the setting and just change it. You can just change it from the browser itself. Just click on the stater option. Now you have the option called set as default browser. Click on this. Now you just need to click on to improve your privacy, set the web browser as a default some notes, and click on the next option. So now you have a display option to choose. Here itself you have I have a lot of browsers to review, so you just need to select the Brave browser. After clicking on the Brave browser, you have the option to don't ask again. You can just use it, or you can just use the click on the Brave browser and set as default. Click on this. Now your Brave browser has been set as default. You can just check it again. You don't have this option here because the Brave browser has a default browser. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMeet Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.